We'll guide you through how to fix the Nintendo Switch Pro controller not connecting to your Switch. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you want to go and grab your controller, and we're going to go to the top, and we want to go and hold onto the sort of pair or sync button. So sort of click it down and hold it down, and what you then want to do is look on the bottom. And after a second or two, you should then go and see these lights flashing. If you do not see them flashing, we'll continue to hold the button, and if after 10 seconds they still aren't flashing, then this probably means your controller has no battery, which is why it isn't working. So go and grab its charging cable, and then what you want to do is plug the USB-C end into the controller, and then what you want to do is go and plug the other end into your dock, and you can then go and charge your controller. Plug it in for at least 5 to 10 minutes, if not longer, and then go and hold that button again, and the light should then go and appear. And you should then be able to go and sync it with your console. However, if the lights are flashing but you still can't go and get it to connect, then what I'd do is just make sure your Switch is up to date, because that may be some sort of problem. So go to your system settings, and then what you want to do is scroll down on the left here until you get down to system, and then what you want to do is click on system update at the top. This is going to go and see if there are any available updates for your Switch. If there are, go and do them, and after you've done them, then go and see if you can go and get your controller to connect to your Switch. If it still isn't, then what I recommend we do is we go and restart the Switch, as it may be some sort of, software glitch or whatever. So what you want to do is hold the power button on top of the Switch just like so, and shortly you'll get taken to a power option screen. As you can see, click on power options and go and click on restart, and your Switch will then go and start restarting. It's now gone and started, and then what you want to do is try connecting it again. And just to guide you through connecting your controller to your Switch, go to the bottom and click on controllers, and then click on change grip/order. And then what you want to do is go and grab your controller, and on the top you need to go and hold this button here and press it down until you see the lights start flashing. As you can see, they are there now, and then it should go and pair like so, and you should then just go and press the A, and that should then be working. So I hope this video has solved your problem. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking the video.